Hey, I think I'm on air. Welcome to another live stream. I don't think many people are watching yet, so not starting with any of the important things yet. Just bear with me for a moment. If you're watching this video on my channel later on, it's a bit boring right now. Just give me 2 or 3 minutes for some people to join the stream. Didn't take over the channel name properly. Let me just get this right. It's very hard to change that later on. Thanks, James. It means a lot coming from you. Okay, what I wanted to do tonight is build a little Cherry MX switch opener. I built one last night because I've been going through a couple of MX Clear switches, and I just wanted to have something that works a little better than what I've been using before. And I came up with this little thing. It looks like a little prison weapon. Looks like a shank. But it's actually pretty useful. I'll just go through the build process. What you need as materials is one of these binder clips, I think they're called. They've got these little metal bars around here, these metal thingies. They're great raw material for the whole thing. And what I attach to these little things, once you got them in the right format, I put them into one of these little cheap eBay case openers. You can get them like in a bag with like tons of other similar case opener plasticky things for, I don't know, $2-3 free worldwide shipping. They've got a nice handle. I mean, they're supposed to be like a tool that you hold in your hand. So I thought attaching a proper tip for switch opening would make a nice combo. Let's get started. Like, how do we turn this thing into something that can open a switch? The important part is to get one of these binder clips that kind of has the two bars about the same width apart that you need to get under the clips of a Cherry MX switch. Yeah. So this is what you're aiming for. This is the size of binder clip, and you just push them together. You get it out. This part, unless you want to build a second one, you can throw. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. I got a new tool here. This is a little, I don't know what it is. I don't know what the term is. But I can fix these little metal bars in here. Just make sure you just fix them right above these the thing, so that you just want to fix them in a way that just these little bent parts are sticking up, because we want to get them straight. Like, we want to get them straight so we can give them a nice little edge. So I'm just gonna fix it here really tight, because I don't want to move anything but these things. And then I'm gonna grab them and move them up. Same with the others. The other one, grab them with a plier, bend them up. Okay. I want to make sure that they're looking straight. And now I'm taking the MX switch and see if I got the right distance, and it looks pretty sweet. Gonna remove them real quick to show you how far I've come. So now this is what they look like. Just straightening the legs here. Let's call them legs. So this is what we want. You see where we're getting. I'm gonna put them back in. Make sure that they're like evenly aligned. Okay, now I'm gonna need a little metal file and give them a nice edge. Okay, here we go. And they're already nicely working to open, well, to open a switch. So the way you use those to open a switch is you go into one side, just get it open a little bit, and just get the other side right open. Now you get the switch like a tiny bit open, and now you can just lift it up. Very easy way. But the problem is with this little thing, if you keep grabbing new switches, you kind of don't know where to put this. You can't really hold it properly. I was getting cramps in my hand, so I wanted to have something to to have a better grip on this. So I decided I'd take one of these parts, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drill or like Dremel into this and get a little cut a little bit into here, so I can sink this part into the little bar here to get like a better tension, and then I'm gonna super glue. No, not super glue. Then I'm gonna hot glue this section to this flat part here to give me a nice bond. So okay, there we go. Should be okay. Alright, this is already gonna be. Let's brush this off. I don't want any of this dust here harm the super glue bond. Okay. So here we go. Let's check the orientation if I got that right. Yep, that's nice. Okay, this is gonna be a little tight. Just gonna push it down here. Make sure that we're all the way in. The important part is to make sure that these two tips are well aligned. This is the most important part. Okay, now I'm going to get the super glue. I call it super glue again. Okay. Aw. Well, it's not gonna look pretty. Just make sure you hold it in properly as it cools. You want to have a nice little bond here. You want to have it covered all the way in this amazing super glue. I love this stuff. I mean, it makes so many things possible. Especially these bodgy things like this. And a little bit of here. A little bit here. If you wet your finger, that's pretty disgusting. You can kind of shape it a little bit, make it look like at least half decent. I'm gonna move this. Okay, this one's also done. Okay, well, we're basically done. All this needs now is a little bit of drying, but you get yourself a Cherry MX opener. Works pretty nicely. You can just keep it in your hand as you pick up new switches. Okay. I'm not gonna start disassembling switches now, but you can just you can pick up a switch, get in here, and la voila, it's open. Here we go. The amazing Cherry MX shank. Thanks for watching. That's a short stream. I don't wanna stretch your attention